Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and an external drive with at least 20% free space. This prevents interrupted images. Once ready, decide whether you need a full system image or file history for personal files because the method differs. Make sure to connect and format the target drive if Windows requests it. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup. Choose Backup and Restore, Windows 7, for a full image or file history for continual file backups. Next, choose Create a System Image from the Backup and Restore tool. This is the concrete step that captures Windows, programs, and settings. Select your external drive or a network share as the destination and confirm inclusion of the system reserved partition and the C drive so the image is bootable. Click Start Backup and allow time. Larger drives take hours. While it runs, avoid heavy disk use and verify the process completes without errors. Once done, create a system repair disk or USB recovery drive. Finally, make a recovery USB so you can boot and restore the image. That step is essential because an image alone won't boot a dead system. Label and store backups off-site or keep a second copy to reduce risk from theft or failure. Test the recovery environment by booting the USB and browsing the image without restoring. If a restore fails, make sure target drive size and disk signatures match, run chkdsk on the source image, and confirm BIOS/UEFI boot mode alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.